You've been lied to about the OSI model. Every single professor, every single textbook you might have read, and even every single YouTube tutorial teaches it the wrong way, and that's exactly why it never sticks. It confuses you on exams, and it makes absolutely zero sense when you try to apply it in real networks. By the end of this video, you understand both the OSI model and the TCP/IP model in a way that you will never forget. And you will finally understand why one of them actually runs the internet and the other just basically is a ghost. Picture every networking class ever. The teacher draws a stack of 7 boxes on a whiteboard or on your screen. He or she mentions the physical layer, data link layer, network, transport, session, presentation, and then the application layer. They make you memorize a mnemonic. Please do not throw sausage pizza away. At least that was the way I was taught initially though. And then test you on which layer does what. And you memorize it, you pass the test, and then you forget all of it in under 48 hours. Why? Because nobody told you the one thing that will have made it stick or click instantly. Why it was built, what problem it actually solved, and how it compares to the model your internet is actually running right now. Here's what nobody tells you. It's 1984. The world is trying to connect computers from different companies. IBM computers trying to talk to Honeywell machines trying to talk to DEC machines. It's total chaos. Everyone has their own proprietary protocol. Nothing talks to nobody. So the ISO, that's the International Standard Organization, built the OSI model. 7 layers, a universal blueprint. It's like building codes for skyscraper. Every layer has one job. Every manufacturer follows the same rule, and then suddenly any computer can talk to any computer. Revolutionary, right? But here is the twist. Nobody used it. While ISO committees were busy writing documents, the US military and universities were actually building the internet. They didn't need 7 theoretical layers. They needed something that worked fast, under pressure. So they built TCP/IP model. Just 4 layers. Lean, practical, battle-tested, and also ready. The OSI model was the architect's perfect blueprint. The TCP model, on the other hand, was the engineer who actually poured the concrete. By the time OSI was ready, TCP/IP model had already won the internet. OSI never had the chance. So, what's the actual difference and why you should care? Here's the truth nobody says out loud. Make sure you save this, better still screenshot this part of the video. Here's the one way I want you to remember this, at least forever. The OSI model is like the perfectly designed airport that the architects drew in 1984. Every terminal, every gate, every baggage belt planned out in perfect detail. Nobody ever built it, by the way. TCP/IP, on the other hand, is the actual airport that exists right now. It is not perfect. A few terminals crammed together, in 1 or 2 places, some gates shared, but every flight in the world is landing there. Every single one of them. Save this right now because your networking exam will ask you this and you have to come back later and tell me. Don't mention. And drop the word OSI in the comment section if you've spent weeks trying to understand it, or TCP/IP if you have literally never heard of it until right now. I want to see which side is bigger. If you want me to go even deeper about how a data packet actually travels through all these layers in real time, what happens at each hop, and how engineers actually use this to diagnose a broken network in under 60 seconds, do let me know in the comments and I will definitely make another video as part 2. Follow this account so that the algorithm does not hide the part 2 video from you. And as usual, no long talks, just value till the next one.